Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna show you how I do my own skincare and hair care at home. I want my face to look super clean, fresh and glowy, and my hair to look soft, shiny and bouncy and have all the nourishment. So if you wanna know how to achieve it, keep watching. So I'm going to start with my hair. So for an hair spa, I'm using an oil hair spa today, which is very traditional method, and I absolutely love doing this once a week at least. So today I'm going to use the mixture of coconut and almond oil. You can use either of them, one of them, or whatever available at your place. So I've taken a good amount of coconut oil and 8 to 10 drops of almond oil, and then I will heat it in my oven for 30 seconds and then apply it on my hair.
morninglifemusic.io.
So now you can use cotton balls to apply, or you can go ahead and apply with your fingers as well, and I love doing this. So I'm going to section my hairs right in the center and start applying in parts with my fingers itself. Make sure you are using the pads of your fingers and not your nails to rub on the scalp to avoid irritation.
morninglifemusic.io. 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 morninglifemusic.io.
Now I have spread the oil all over my hair till the end. And now I'm gonna start massaging for good 10 to 15 minutes, and again make sure to use pads of your fingers and not the nails, and this is the best time. It's so relaxing. So yes, it is an old school method and is really inexpensive, but it's really effective and important to do. We often get attracted towards the more chemical products, which are also expensive to get that wonders effect, but this traditional method is all we need to do. And now I have combed my hair roughly and tied it into a bun and leave it for a couple of hours. You can also apply this overnight until the time my hair is soaking all the goodness. We're gonna move to face. And now I'm gonna clean my face using Garnier Micellar water. Since lots of oils has transferred to my face, and this will clean all the dirts. Now I am using Himalaya Neem Purifying Face Wash to wash my face, and this is the best face wash I have been using since so long. Next I will exfoliate my face using Everuse scrub. Now I am not particular about this scrub. I keep on changing my scrub very often.
Till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways.
Now be gentle on your skin, don't go too harsh. And now I don't really have that fancy steamer. I just go ahead, boil some water and take a steam for good 5 to 10 minutes using a towel. Dip your head and don't go too close. This will just open up your pores.
And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow.
And now I'm using this tool to remove all my whiteheads and blackheads. Now be gentle, don't go very hard, otherwise you might end up having marks on your face.
And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go.
Now I will use one of these sheet masks to cool down my face. I'm using tea tree since you can see one bob has arrived on my face, and tea tree is very effective in removing.
Morninglightmusic.io. 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 Morninglightmusic.io.
It helps to cool down the skin and give you a glowy skin.
Morninglightmusic.io. Morninglightmusic.io. Morninglightmusic.io.
Now there is so much gel inside the packet. I'll go ahead and use this gel onto my neck, my hands and fingers, and wherever you want to.
Morninglightmusic.io. Morninglightmusic.io.
And now it's time to wash my hair. I'm going to take a shower and will be right back soon.
Morninglightmusic.io.
And now I have not showed you which shampoo I use because again I'm not particular about any one shampoo. Now moving ahead, I'm using a toner from Himalaya.
Morninglightmusic.io. Morninglightmusic.io.
Now going in with Wow Aloe Vera Gel.
Morninglightmusic.io. Morninglightmusic.io. Morninglightmusic.io.
Now to finish off, I'm using moisturizer, which is Pond's all-time favorite.
Morninglightmusic.io.
Now after this, if you want, you can go ahead with eye cream also. I'm not using that.
Morninglightmusic.io.
And now little bit of massage just to get that blush effect.
Morninglightmusic.io.
Now for the lips, I'm using Nivea lip balm.
Morninglightmusic.io.
And finally for the hairs, I'm using Streaks Hair Serum. And there you go, we are done with our skin and hair care routine. So practically we can't go in with thousands of steps for our skin and hair care on a daily life. So the steps I showed you are pretty easy and quick to get and are also very inexpensive with lots and lots of goodness in it.
Morninglightmusic.io.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on.
So yeah, that's it for my at-home hair spa and skincare. I hope you like it. Don't forget to subscribe and like. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.